Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing accounts and removing blockers. You must spend any remaining Microsoft/Xbox balance and cancel Game Pass or other subscriptions because active services block region changes. Once done, sign into account. Microsoft. Com and open your info edit country/region. Choose the new country and enter the local address and phone number. Make sure you pick the correct region now because billing, taxes, and store availability will change immediately after the profile update. Next, complete the detailed change and update billing. After selecting the new country, add a local payment method tied to that country and set the matching billing address. Microsoft requires this for purchases. Remove any old regional payment options. Once the account page confirms the region, sign out of your Xbox console and the Xbox mobile/app, then sign back in so the console refreshes store and licensing data. This sync step enforces the new catalog and billing region on your devices. Finally, verify purchases and subscriptions behave correctly under the new region. Expect the store, currency, and content availability to update within hours. Sometimes you need to restart the console twice. If you can't change region, double-check that your wallet is 0 and all subscriptions are fully expired. These are the most common blockers. If validation still fails, contact Microsoft support with the new billing proof. They can resolve account-specific holds or payment verification problems so you can complete.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.